Hello guys, welcome back on a technology battlefield. I'm Harlan Kislas to tell you in this tutorial how to have especially new ringtones on your iPhone device. How do you generate according to your own customization? Either it is from the mp3 song or video, movies, dialogues, video songs, or video recorded from specific vocal sound that you would like to have as a ringtones. So just type and of course a custom ringtone. How do you establish on your iPhones any latest one? For example, just see right now I have a created. Now see, now see, now see. Now see guys. So how it's easy especially to create. I've taken from the one song and I have created 4-5 ringtones from these songs. So how do you do that? Especially in this tutorial we will see how to use it proper way ringtone. So for it guys, you will have to come in virtual DJ. This is a mind-blowing tools there according to your own visualization. Of course you can create ringtones. So now here what we have to do guys, simply we will have to drag a one that is a mp3 songs or video songs, any song that can be, especially I'm the that. So just here we will have to one song. So yes, where it is, let's have the one song I have taken that let's see from this one. This is video content guys, and we would like to have a special as ringtones. So how would I just we will accelerate, so it will make us slow songs with of course we will go for delay, so echo sound will be with reverb it will come. Now we will have to go in the STM, just try to select FX vocal, so vocal sound would be allowed guys, so that of course ringtone will be modified with good quality. Of course kick we will have to much more little, and upon as we see that we can check it out here that how's the quality now, and upon we will go for. So for it just we will now we will come in the hard cue, and the hard cue here just we will check it out. So let's see. So just here we will have to especially enhance the much more especially speed, because it's working it's functioning but very fast, and the gainer we have taken this one's fines. Now just once again we will try to have, let's see. So this byte we won't take here, as we see according to your byte especially what we can have, we can start it also from here. Just we will have to select according to which one bytes that you would like to take. So suppose this byte from here to here that we would like to take. So now see, so let's have especially for example this byte we would like to have as a ringtone. So now what we will do guys, we will go in the setting, and after coming the setting of course we will have to select here in the record options. Just don't select mp4, just we will have to select this format category that should be mp3, and upon here just to select a desktop. So I have taken the desktop, so this ringtone will be produced, and after producing especially on desktop it would be. So now we would like to set especially how the quality, and it's in which way especially in the what category. This is the comments on my output especially. Just we will go for a start. So before going the start especially a little bit we will take time here more especially accelerates, so that especially when it will start we will click to the record option this. So now yes we will click here. Now see, now see. this just for 9 minutes that we have taken in this ringtones. Now I would like to show you so that is it cam on my desktop or not. So this is on my hair, and yes, we would like to just this ringtone on hair. So we will have to go for open a 3U tool, and upon of course we will have to come the ringtone option. So where it is, yes, we will come in the hair ringtone option, and just we will click on here to import, and thereupon yes, we would like to have a special on desktop, and of course we will import it. So now it has been, see, already it's existing. So not existing guys, here we will have to change name. So yes, we will go for FZ plus. Now once again we will try to import especially these things. So now here it is guys. Now successfully it's imported files. Let's check it out. That's how's the sound, and is it of course deserving to have especially custom ringtones in this content or not. So just to see guys. Now yes, yes it is. So easy way, of course, you can have the ringtones from any video content and audio content, and so from some movie dialogues or whatever the custom. You have the recorded any contents from that vocals, but that you would like to have the sounds. So guys, how it's easy as we see. So go on, set on any latest iPhone, either it is a 11, 12, 13, 13, 13 Pro Max, and 14, 14 Pro Max, 15, 15 Pro Max. So guys, yes, blindly you can create, generate ringtones with effective quality, with modified especially the quality, and you can establish on your iPhones as a ringtone. For the main inquiry, if you would like to have the more knowledge about the the virtual DJ, also of course I will tell you, please raise the comment below the comment box. And if it is informative and knowledgeable, then please ponder, like, subscribe, and share of this concept, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative video, and this would be a benefit to someone who is highly curious to have this kind of information guys. So of course, thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.